Welcome guys, so today I am with the Xiaomi 12T and I'm going to show you how camera pro mode looks and works in this smartphone. Okay, so first of all, when you open the pro mode and you don't know what is going on here and how to adjust the parameters, I can recommend you to tap on the information icon, and here you get the description of each feature. Okay, right now I will focus on this bar and after that on this one. So the first, we can find the white balance. We can activate 4 default presets. We can also set it up automatically by moving the slider. To go back and set it up automatically, tap right here. Next, right here we can find the focus. You can also set it up manually or automatically. I hope that right now you can spot the difference between this manual focus. Click here to set it up automatically. Next option is the shutter speed. The maximum value is 30 seconds and the lowest is 1 and 4,000. To get it automatically, just click right here. Another one, it's the ISO. We can set up between 6400 to the 50 and also automatically. The next option right here, it's the exposure compensation, and that's the only parameter that we can only use manually, and we can set it up between 4x, +4 and the -4. And the last option right here adds the lens. We can switch between the ultra lens and the wide lens. So the wide, it's the main lens on this phone. Next, when you click right here, you can simply change filters. They change also color and the temperature like the white balance. Here we can activate the 108 megapixel mode. It's the Ultra HD mode. And this option gives us more details on the photos. When you go right here, we can also adjust other parameters. We can set the saturation, contrast, and also sharpness. When you click in this place, you can spot the spot measuring. Here we can also enable or disable the flashlight. And that's all for the pro mode of the Xiaomi 12T. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.